Y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mercedes. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and if you're returning, as always, welcome back. So in today's video, I wanted to do a room makeover. This is my beauty room that I've had since I've been in this home, and I just never really completed it because honestly this room gets used probably once a month because I don't really do my makeup. I don't really record as much in this room anymore. So I wanted to turn this room into a prayer room. If you guys have been watching like my monthly resets, you know that I've been trying to get closer to God, just building that relationship, and I've been very, you know, private with that part of my journey because I don't want it to be like a content. But I did want to remake over this room. I didn't buy new things. I just want to use what I already have and make this room a peaceful place where I can come pray, talk to God, and do my Bible studying. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Complete a prayer room or a prayer corner or a prayer closet. I hope I give you guys some ideas. Be resourceful, use what you have. You don't have to go out and buy stuff new, or you don't have to wait until you go and buy new things in order to complete this room. You can do it with the things around you and make it your own. So for me, I do want a place where I can come and sit on the floor, but I also have this couch. I like this couch in here because I know I can also come chill on the couch, read my Bible, do what I need to do. So I want to leave it in here, but I do have this corner that I'm thinking I can make a little nook out of. You know, I have all of this space in this room. I do plan to keep my makeup vanity in this room, but of course I'm gonna clean it up because it looks a hot mess right now here, along with the chair. So that's another space that I can come and do my studies. If I need to write or anything, I can use the makeup vanity. So I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. I'm going to just start doing what I need to do and getting this room made over. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you want to come with me on this journey. So I'm just getting all of my makeup brushes so that I can clean these and put them up.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.